Hey everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews. This is the final episode of the third season of the Make Acura Great Again project. I'm going to be slightly enhancing the look of my MDX by plasti dipping the front grille. This is the easiest way to make it stand out without having to paint it or, God forbid, doing this. No offense. It requires minimum prep and can be relatively easily removed in case you didn't like it or need to reapply it. Last time I did it, it lasted me for about 4 years. Let's roll! Here's a list of tools you need to complete this job. 1 Plasti Dip can of the color of your choice. Masking tape. I'm also using this amazing hybrid of a masking tape with clear plastic sheets that is easily applied and removed. Cleaning wipes or alcohol for prepping. Links to everything I used are in the description. I've masked the grille the way it leaves some of the elements protected, such as the logo and some horizontal parts. Here I'm peeling off the previous application so you have an idea how relatively easy it is to do. Let's clean this up to prep for the application. Let it dry for a bit and start applying the first, thinnest coat. Don't forget to shake the can vigorously to properly mix the contents. In my case, this can of Plasti Dip is very old, so it doesn't come out strong. Let it dry for 10-15 minutes. Let's apply the second coat. Remember, the more coats you apply, the stronger it will be. At the same time, it's going to be easier to remove if you have many coats. I suggest applying at least 5. Third coat application. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Done! Let it dry thoroughly before removing masking. Remove masking carefully to avoid pulling the Plasti Dip coats. Let's take a look at the result. And that's it. I gotta say, I really like the outcome. The grille looks more in tone with the vehicle and provides kind of a unique look compared to the standard MDX grille. At the same time, those silver accents really underline the style. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell buttons for more videos on this channel. And as always, drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time!